One of the features of our toolbox forms, boiler repair, and inspection software is the ability to add all the AERCO specific forms. So as you can see, we have all the AERCO forms, and within them, you can enter information and do calculations automatically. And all the different forms that you require are in this software. So you don't have to worry about recreating them, and they're updated whenever AERCO updates them. So you always have them available so that you are 100% in compliance with all their startup and registration rules.